Students, how are you? Today we will revise the topic even and odd numbers. Today we will revise the topic even and odd numbers. Now what do you mean by even numbers? The numbers which can be completely divided into groups of 2 are called even numbers. The numbers which can be completely divided into groups of 2 are called even numbers. Now what does it mean? It means that if we divide a number by 2 and we get the remainder 0, then the number is an even number. It means that if a number is completely divided by 2, completely divided means that we get the remainder 0. If a number is completely divided by 2, then the number is an even number. Let me take one example. Suppose we have a collection of 8 butterflies. Suppose we have a collection of 8 butterflies. And what we are to do? We are to group these 8 butterflies into 2. We are to group these 8 butterflies into 2. Then what will we do? We will make the set of 2 butterflies each. We will make different sets of 2 butterflies each. Now there are 8 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are having 8 butterflies and we are to divide these 8 butterflies into pairs. Now if we divide these butterflies into pairs, then how many sets will we get? We will get 4 sets. How many sets we will get? We will get 4 sets. 2 butterflies in first set, 2 in second, 2 in third and 2 in fourth. All the butterflies will be paired in 4 sets. And is there any single butterfly left? No. No butterfly is left unpaired. No single butterfly is left. So 8 is an even number. So 8 is an even number because when we divided 8 by 2, 0 remainder is left. No single butterfly is left. So it means that no remainder is there. Clear beta? In the same way, 2, 4, 6 and 10 are also even numbers. 2, 4, 6 and 10 are also even numbers. And the numbers ending with 2, 4, 6 and 0 are all even numbers. The numbers that end with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are even numbers. Clear beta? Thus we can say that 10, 122, 534, 696, 788, 1940 etc. are even numbers. Is it clear beta? I repeat the numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are even numbers. Clear beta? The numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are even numbers. Now what are odd numbers? Odd numbers are the numbers which cannot be completely divided into groups of 2. Odd numbers are the numbers which cannot be completely divided into groups of 2. Now what is the meaning of this statement? It means that when a number divided by 2 leaves remainder 1, when a number divided by 2 leaves remainder 1, that number is an odd number. Is it clear beta? If we divide a number by 2 and it leaves remainder 1, then the number is an odd number. Suppose we have a collection of 5 balls and we are to group these balls into pairs. That is, we are to make a set of 2 balls each. Then how many sets will we get? We will get 2 sets. How many sets we will get? We will get 2 sets. Clear beta? If we group 5 balls into pairs, we will get 2 sets of pair and 1 ball will be left. Now what does it mean? It means that 5 cannot be completely divided into group of 2. If we divide 5 by 2, then remainder 1 will be left. Clear beta? 1 ball is left unpaired. We cannot make the pair of this ball. So 5 is an odd number. Similarly, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. And the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. Is it clear beta? I repeat, the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. So the numbers 11, 133, 625, 1737, 2999 all are odd numbers. Clear beta? Odd numbers are the number which are not completely divided by 2. Odd numbers are the numbers which are not completely divided by 2. Now let's learn more about odd and even numbers. Let's learn more about odd and even numbers. Now, number 1 is when we add 2 even numbers, the answer is always an even number. When we add 2 even numbers, the answer is always an even number. For example, 28 plus 16 is equal to 44. 28 plus 16 is equal to 44. 28 is an even number. 16 is also an even number. And we get the answer 44 is also an even number. Is it clear beta? When we add 2 even numbers, the answer is always an even number. Now second is when we add an even number to an odd number. When we add an even number to an odd number, the answer is always an odd number. For example, 17 plus 16 is equal to 33. 17 is an odd number, 16 is an even number, and when we add these two numbers, we get the answer 33, that is an odd number. Is it clear, beta? When we add an even number to an odd number, the answer is always an odd number. And last is, when we add an odd to an odd number, the answer is always an even number. For example, 17 plus 33 is equal to 50. Now 17 is an odd number, 33 is an odd number, and we get the answer 50, that is an even number. So, when we add an odd number to an odd number, answer is always an even number. Is it clear, students? That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.